una esperanza, un poco de esta pandemia.
A nurse is vaccinated, but just minutes later, this happens.
I'm sorry.
Tiffany Dover fainted as she spoke to reporters at a hospital in Chattanooga, Tennessee. But it turns out it wasn't a reaction to the vaccine. Tiffany has a medical condition and faints often. She quickly recovered and spoke to reporters.
I have passed out probably 6 times in the past 6 weeks. It's common for me.
It's very common. People should not use that as a barometer for not taking the COVID-19 vaccine or other vaccines.
No such mishaps in Washington as Vice President Mike Pence was vaccinated. But watch as the hand of medical technician Sean Wadeen shakes nervously as he puts the needle into his arm.
I, by the way, as a surgeon, am also a little bit afraid of needles.
Neurosurgeon Dr. Sanjay Gupta revealed he's afraid of needles, but he went ahead anyway, live on CNN.
Is it in?
It's done.
It's done.
But even as thousands get vaccinated, the pandemic rages on, worse than ever. 100,000 new cases were reported in 48 hours in California, among them the 9-year-old daughter of LA's mayor. Also revealing her COVID diagnosis, 47-year-old supermodel Eva Herzegova. And the condition of the president of France, Emmanuel Macron, is said to be worsening. He contracted COVID after a meeting with other European leaders. There are no ICU beds available anywhere in Southern California. Hospitals are no longer allowed to turn away ambulances and must accept patients regardless of their capacity. As a result, there are often ambulances lined up outside with patients waiting to get in. The lack of bed space also impacts patients who don't have COVID. Connie Rim's back surgery has been postponed indefinitely.
I'm in pain 24/7. Some days are more severe than others. But the fact of the matter is I can't get up. I can't sit up to watch TV. I can't eat at the dinner table.
In New York City, all elective surgery has been suspended. Among the latest COVID-19 fatalities, 8 elderly nuns who lived in a retirement home in Milwaukee. They all died of COVID in 1 week. It's feared that Christmas could bring yet another surge, just like Thanksgiving. An estimated 85 million people say they plan to travel over the holiday despite pleas by authorities not to. But amid the grief, hope and joy. Just look at the reactions of frontline workers getting the vaccination